In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 10K a month through clipping using Whop. And the best part is, this course is completely free. Let's get started with setting up your Whop account. First, you'll want to head over to whop.com. Once there, click on Become a Creator. This will lead you to sign in with either your Google or Discord account. When you're signed in, you'll need to set up your store by adding your name, a logo, and a short description. This step is crucial because Whop serves as your storefront, eliminating the need for your own website or a separate payment processor. Next, let's set up your payouts through Stripe. In your Whop dashboard, navigate to Settings and then Payouts. Click on Connect Stripe and follow the steps to verify your account. After approval, you'll be set to receive automatic payouts for every sale, seamlessly integrating your payment processes. Now it's time to create your clipping product on Whop. Consider offering services such as a monthly clipping subscription, editing templates, or even a done-for-you clipping service. You might also want to include a free course or tutorial access to build trust with potential clients. To add a product, click on Create Product, choose the product type, and then add details like the title, pricing, and what you deliver. Be sure to specify the turnaround time, the number of clips, and which platforms they cater to, like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. For instance, you could offer a service like YouTube Shorts Clipping Service, 30 viral clips last month for $499. Having established your product, let's talk about setting up pricing for regular income. Opt for a subscription pricing model for services offered on a monthly basis. You might set up tiers like $119 a month for 10 clips or $499 for 30 clips. You can sweeten the deal with some free bonuses, such as a thumbnail pack or a viral caption guide, adding extra value for your clients. Now let's make sure your store page shines. Start by uploading a professional-looking thumbnail or banner, and including examples of your work with YouTube or Google Drive links. Your description should be clear and benefit-driven. Consider phrases like, "Stop spending hours editing." I'll turn your long-form content into short, viral videos that grow your audience fast. Always remember to include FAQs, turnaround times, and refund terms to build credibility with your customers. To bring in those clients, offer a free course or mini training. Create a free product on Whop titled How to Start Clipping and make your first 1K online. Inside, teach basic editing, showcase your Whop setup process, and upsell your clipping service at the end. Providing this free value can convert your audience into paying clients. Finally, promote your Whop store using short-form content. Create before and after clip transformations and share them on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Make sure your Whop link is prominently featured across your bio and in pinned comments. By following these steps, you utilize every viral short to potentially bring in new, recurring clients. Let Whop handle the payment processing and client management, allowing you to focus on what you do best, creating great content.